Dear students, today we will discuss what are the employee incentive plans. See, incentive plans are based on two part. That is individual incentive plan and group incentive plan. So in this video, I will be discussing what are incentive plans, what are the various types of incentive plans. See, incentive plan basically provide incentives to the worker to produce more and more, are paid bonus or premium for additional work. See, basically incentive is what motivate the person to work more and more. So incentive basically offer an attraction of extra payment for the efficiency or more production. So the basic objective of any incentive plan is to increase the production by giving an additional or you can say inducement or additional work workers in the form of higher wages. Now moving to the types of incentive. Individual incentive plan. In individual incentive plan, on the basis of wage rate or per piece, we incentivize the worker. So in individual incentive plan, basically it is based on either time based or production based. Under time based incentive, a standard time is determined for doing a particular job. Say suppose a job require 8 hours of working, so beyond that, if a person work, that in that case the person get incentive. Another is based on the production, say per piece system. Say per piece system, like in a day a person produces say 100 unit of production, is the standard production. Now if the person produce more than 100 units, so per or you can say on per unit produce, say the rate of producing one uh, unit is, say suppose 10 rupees per unit the person will get. So if the person produces 100 units in a day, then the 100 multiplied by 10 he get at the end of the day 1000 rupees. So this is in individual incentive plan. Then what is group incentive plan? In group incentive plan, it is not it is possible to relate output to an individual employee's effort. So it may be possible to relate it to the effort of the work group. So if in addition cooperation is required to produce the desired output, basically it is like bonus sharing, then profit sharing, EOPs. These are the group incentive plans. So this is the basic structure of wage system. Means wage system is basically divided into time wage, piece wage, wage incentive plans. Like we have in wage incentive plan, we have individual incentive plan as well as group incentive plan. So on the base of time, we have Hasley plan, Rowan plan, Immersion plan, and Bedwick's plan. And on the basis of productivity, we have Taylor, Matrick, and Gent plan. So in Hasley plan, under this plan, a minimum time wage is guaranteed to every worker. A standard time is fixed. Less than the standard time, he is given a bonus, but there is no penalty for performing the job in more than the standard time fixed. The slow worker is paid the time wage, and the efficient worker is paid some bonus in addition to the time wages. So in Hasley plan, bonus is paid to a worker equal to 50% of time saved multiplied by rate of hours. So here is the formula. uh, and this is the formula, that is total wage equals to T into R plus 50% of S minus T into R. Here S is standard time, T is time taken by a worker, and R is the rate of the time. Now the merits and demerits of Wesley plan, it is simple to understand. Both the worker and the employer get the benefit of time saved. It gives guarantee of minimum wages to every employees. But the worker who does not secure full benefit of their efficiency, but only to get 50% of extra. Another is there may be difficulties in setting standard time for various types of jobs. So these are the few demerits of this. Now Roman plan, basically Roman plan is modification of Hesley plan. It also guarantees the minimum time wages and do not penalize the slow worker, but a standard time is fixed for completion of a job and bonus is paid to the worker on the basis of time saved. Here, efficiency is measured as time saved divided by standard time. This is the formula S into R plus T into R into time saved upon standard time. These are the merits. There is a guarantee of minimum wage to every worker, both employees and similar to, because it is just similar to the Hesley plan, but there is a slight changes. So difficulty to understand the worker. Then it is a complicated plan. Then Emerson efficiency plan. Here, according to Emerson, bonus need not to pay those whose work whose efficiency is less than 66% and above. Basically, this immersion plan suggested guaranteed wages payment to all worker on the time rate base. In addition to bonus or extra payment was suggested to those who proved to be efficient. For determining efficiency, standard time for the worker is determined. Efficiency is to be measured on the basis of comparison of actual performance with the standard fix. Metric plan, it is basically in this plan the minute is the time unit described as the standard minute, and according to Bedwick's point plan, in determining the BS, the time operation and the time of rest are taken in account. Here, in this general, the bonus is paid to the worker is 75% of the wage of time saved. Remaining 25 goes to the foreman. This is the formula. S into R plus 75% of time saved. S is standard time, T is actual time, and R is the rate of wages. Then Taylor differential piece rate system. This is basically based on the piece piece rate system. According to in this, how much number of units produced, that is with the multiplied with the rate of production. This is the Marek multiplication piece rate system. This plan offers 3-grade piece rate rather than 2 offered by the Taylor plan. The worker who produce less than 83% of standard output are paid at the basic piece rate. Those produced from 86 to 100 of the output are paid 110% of the basic piece rate, and the worker producing more than 110% is paid with the 120% of the basic piece rate. Giant tax and bonus piece rate. Unlike Taylor and Marek plan, minimum wage time wage is guaranteed to every worker under giant task and bonus piece plan. A definite task representing first class performance is fixed as a standard time, careful time, and motion study. Uh, if a worker achieve or excel it, he get extra wages varying between 25% to 50%. So that's all about the incentive plans.